In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the values in a photograph in Photoshop. So I'm going to open up a black and white photo in Photoshop. I'm just going to drag it into the PS icon. So there are a couple of different ways to change the values of the light and darks in a photograph. The first one is with brightness contrast. So this one's pretty simple. You're going to go up to Image, Adjustments, and then Brightness Contrast. And it opens up a new window where you can use your slider bar to increase the brightness, make everything overall brighter, or decrease it, make everything overall darker. Contrast is the difference between the values, so when we turn this up, it increases the contrast, makes the darks a little bit darker, the lights a little bit lighter. And as you slide it to the left, it decreases the contrast, making everything a little bit more similar in terms of value. The other way that I'm going to show you how to adjust the values in a photo is through Image, Adjustments, Levels, which is right underneath Brightness Contrast. So under Levels, there are a number of presets that you can use if you want to try them out. There is Increase Contrast, which just boosts the contrast a little bit. You can make everything lighter. So you can try out those presets if you would like. This picture right here, which looks something like a mountain range, is called a histogram. And this is actually a graph that shows how much of different values you have in your picture. So all the way to the left here is the blacks in the picture, all the way to the right is the whites in the picture, and then we have everything in between. So you can actually change the values in your photo here. If you want to adjust the darks in your picture and make them darker, you can slide this over. And everything that is to the left of this now becomes pure black. So you can see it can really dramatically change the photo if you keep working with that. And with the lights, everything that you turn, everything to the right of this here becomes pure white. So all of this information that we had is now just white in our picture. And you can also adjust the midtones as well. Output levels decides what in your picture is absolutely the darkest and absolutely the lightest. So if we change this, again, here's the darks. If we slide this to the right, then we don't have an absolute black in the picture. All of our really dark values become a little bit lighter. So you can see it adds sort of a softer look to the image. And then same on this side, if you slide this over, then we have no absolute white in the picture, and our lightest value is right here. So that's just a couple of ways to change the values in an image in Photoshop.